In this video, we will learn the very useful skill of multiplying and dividing decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1000. When we multiply a decimal, we are making it bigger and increasing its value. We can do this by moving the digits to the left in a place value chart. When dividing a number, we are making it smaller and decreasing its value. We can do this by moving the digits to the right in a place value chart. Let's try this with 2.06. 2.06 has 2 ones, 0 tenths, and 6 hundredths. If we multiply 2.06 by 10, we are increasing the number. We move the digits one place to the left. The 2 ones become 2 tens, the 0 tenths become 0 ones, and the 6 hundredths becomes 6 tenths. 2.06 times 10 equals 20.6. Now, let's try division. This bottle contains 40 millilitres of orange juice. If we wanted to convert this to litres, we would divide by 1,000. To divide by 1,000, we move the digits 3 places to the right. The 4 moves to the hundredths column, and the 0 moves to the thousandths column. 40 has become 4 hundredths and 0 thousandths. To write this number, we need to use zeros as placeholders to show that there are 0 ones and 0 tenths. We write 4 hundredths as 0.04. We do not include any zeros at the end of the decimal, such as the 0 in the thousandths column. So 40 millilitres in litres is 0.04 litres. Just remember, when we multiply, we move to the left as the numbers get bigger, and when we divide, we move to the right as the numbers get smaller. Don't get these two confused.